Bogajan lamp sa go down na hem kimi kangpu. Bitung constituency boot committee pen kang dangamay kang ni. Ingdeng sirkep amri Karbi ojan kamay ang dungkiti. Kardom Karbi prime time along penili virabang tropi. Pinibirta tham the prang isikinang sotalam the. Lok Sabha kilikani kipacheta gajok phomkuru woreng birta malom so por phan ington ponikokno. Non birtang ton pen arjek thak. Bukojan along thereni phai kep arni ada por phai kresia por malom bukojan lamps agodana hem kimi kang po birta pherang ki anante rang pen birta nang pole.
Surhini rakre troksi lapen krener kep aningkana baha sanghan kang tona hem ki kim kerang kapatang pontanga hem kimi kang pu. Karbi long termas council EM madhurjo dhekyau phukonari deng pensi ingpupon alangli long kacharap chetodun bokajan lamps chairman kensing phangcho horening ti chunbang darsing singnar pendanglo ke theki dingatum chetong dunsi godona hemkimi kangpu amai long RDP dun godona hemkimi ingpudet pen Karbi long termas council EM madhurjo dhekyau phukon bokajan lamps atuma phan hodai pondo
Longle kacharai kom henlo pilong ri ka chinghon lapen tok lang henlo khai ka chengthor ari simpa thepi pen Karbi Students Association tiripia mai tumchi patir pi pen kidam tang theri potrok si pen pangcheng ponsini phai sirkep arnian nithoma pharman choki hola sangla klamlong kse ningkare sekamai pi mesen pen kipachun pona birta kat news pherang ke tum pen birta nang pale Kecheng arni kepali nang je dimalong men ka chathap kedua boha mukha kang pulapen subject committee meeting ke paman pona long KSC tiripi amai phu bijoy bepensi mai charipon adun thu arni KSC tiripi amai phu bijoy beariding pen KSC song alama ingthur ponsi chunbang muniram tok bi pen kalitanga tuma phan ka chiki mu jalin ponlo adun thu chetong luna tum pen ka chetong alpen students open session padopon mai pikijut arni adaba por thongnok beke kat hirjir ki hir kachepate lun ki lun lapen akaprek ason ke pathu padopon arni kang sam por phai hinia por pen rad mai piki paman pon along KSC tiripia mai phu bijoy be pen kachep hem phu pon mai along chetong dun aluhia tuma phan pachini rap chun bang thangsing timung pen si pachinia por enlo Aluhi sarpa man pen Kelia mai phu Suren Kramsa man peng aluhi man pen kasdikom mai phu ajit timung KLNLF amai phu PDili kasdikom achun bang sing timung HDL amai phu Saising Rongpi Asia Pacific Master Games gold medalist Pukhilaing TP KCS nilip hawara mai phu Sarsing tisola pen prejama song along mai phu chun bang tum chitong dun si mai RDP dun kachitong dun aluhi tum pen kupuson silo charlia nathu ke peprang dun jima Lapen methang jutang jubat elam eki ason ke patua hin lapen methang khai kaching hon ponang jalam hai huisi than bajermi pon rinti apor ke mehud rengma cultural aterang atumpen take kan paklang lapen aning ve lutuna jo along nongnam kachithang klong alun sepi joti terang pi lapen aria sang ho tumpen jumesen alun lun pon si plikera trok angdeng KSA annual conference mesen pen pachunlo
Labaso conference nong nitum kapre karpiang mong phan a problem to pucha ke thedung nitum a resolution nitum dak adopt onlo labang ke karpiang lo problem situ non ke dobom itu statehood issue agency nitum sing vai polo la so statehood issue bangke article 244A ardu state nitum ki pangtang ala so moment ki long the prime man ke pangtang ko man nitum dak nitum so conference nong sing vai pon padolo labela detben Ladak itu itu isu semua karbiang no isu semua statehood isu itu pasti kenalnya tum sami non government pen itu show mediator talks doi kolam tu lah so talks tapi itu isi perserat group isapen perserat itu doi pasti itu dak cingwai pon lo lapen karbiang no isu non hejong jong si citizenship amendment bill government of India mante state government tu dak itu jakong ben itu alang tum dak implementation along alang tu claim pun tante la solo along sama itu kan kesong padoi itu dak cingwai pon tu laben ke ladak itu karbiang no atok anu problems dak nilibarat astame dak kapre toar pen jilong ko dak itu forest ek thing pen itu dak tribal atuk jilong le haso alama mukha astame asai mukha teme dak jingwai pon patu ko
West Karbi Anglong tumpreng along therini phaisir kep arni kang sampor phai hini raj team apor malom pen BJP a song pen kangdanga mai ke padu pon birta pherang ki pen kati sa hemalong birta nang pali Bitung constituency pen tumpreng along BJP a song pen kangdanga mai ke paman pon along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang PWD EM Horen Singh Be VDC Chairman Ramson Rongpi Rongkhang Lems a Chairman Mongol Be Dongkamukam Town Committee Ward Commissioner Serlong Ki Be Jitu Terang Lapen BJP a song japo ke thege dingatum chetong dunsi mai RDP dun birta kirep dun long tengke CEM Ronghang hin pen mai long lam theke jai pon ke non ke claim pon bom PMJSY towar men meji kolonga Karbi Rong Supi Deramuk pen chongkana towar kasilang pon bom lake lak isi hini pen kali sika kuti hini sose asaya mosi saideng ponlo adun thu ilina long sika isia dor asang lapen keso kyun e ajok atok anu kedam kewang atowar ke memianta mesen pen patang ponpo lapen towar ke claim tangsi ke ong lupota mailong CEM pen lam theke jai padu
ये हुआ नहीं आदि भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार आहा पिसा उन्होंने कार्यालय जिला परिषद टीम कार्यालय और डिजिटल हुआ पिसा मेन निजी कार्यालय सी भूमवादा दोंगमिति लोगों फार्चेली खाने जा हाईएस्ट उन्होंने मिलावर काम असली पैसे
Namalam support fan birta moing tuk manik sena
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4, he just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. this was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent requests a returning officer under section 56D for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible. Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Report lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingnisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalok tar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, kona lo lake.
Difu ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so lapen soar lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopin so lapen soar lo pan kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor, near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi kulat along long pon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitron ola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ikji.
Dihinamo Piputhot Birtalong Bangtholo. Ingdeng Sirkep Amrio Jangkamai Mate Youth Festival Surihini Sirkep Aninkana Baha Amri Karbi Cultural Complex Pongari Samota Kamrub Metro Mesenpen Kipaman Pono Birta Perangkepen Karnisalong Birta Napale. Amri Karbi Students Union atumpen patir piponsi kedamtang therini phai troxiar ni pen ni phai sirkep arni ingdeng sirkep Amri Ojang kamai mate Youth Festival pachunpon Amri Karbi Students Union amai pukumut timung lapen Amri Karbi Ojang kamai Tirikam amaya mai Puthaneshwar phangcho tumpen mai chiphem phuponsi ke chengpen kijut arnian Amri Karbi Ojang rongoje amai pachunpon pen pregjam ke pathuason papthili ke ap kengdong dang ke kat make lap pen cheng long rit nong chingdi ke kan kachepati haihui kachepati padopon Chinthong rongkhang akarbita ning sivet pen jutang jubat ilam iki chinghon thek nang jipusi mailong alhisar po tumpen lam thejai kedam tang ningkan bangso rongoje Katalon Ponhut, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowala Phan Chophalo, Lapen Alang Liphan Aliralon Pen Kangthum Karni Jia Phanta, Chesik Ponlo, Bonta Kupinia Sai Kidokok Pen Ajok, Chedong Dunde Datlo. Piningkan Talason Thak Si Minister Himanta Bishwa Sarma Phan Kijut Siarni Alhisar Paman Pen, Kachitong Dunjia Phan Phalo. Sitame Alang Libang So Mailong Chitong Dunde Datajok, Amri Karbi Rusunim Sorongoche Katalon Ang Dung Kitiarni, Kachitong Dun Aratatum Ning Duk Chepaklang. Lase nilitum Amri Karbi arat atum apan laso nangkilang rop nilitum kisum kiboy apothak Assam government atum nangkilang pon ki pangkreki ning duk loputa mailong Amri Karbi bangthe asem apinpo panbor rong pipen lamthe jai mailong alhui sarpo aman pen dumra Karbi richu holising rong hangpen danglok All India Karbi Students Union amaipu enush timung pen danglok pregjam ke thege ding atum chetong dun se ing samjen pen mai pachunpon 5th ASSC pen non hedjong dongka mukama lang Hamren Town Committee aphan ki pajer pon track humso humpli Hamren Town Committee pen da kangpoja me ki padu pon birda pherangi hundor kropen birda napali
Ada Professor Kepra Chitimapor Kangpoja Megalong EM atumungor sing timung rup sing teron na pen Hamren Town Committee Chairman Birenti so pen danglok ongdung ki theki dinga tum chetong dun Dipua rong supi leke klar na rong supi aman ka chilong asonsi Hamren na rong supi ta me klar et klar bo rong supi ke paman ponji aphan akemang pensi bangso track so amokha Hamren Town Committee aphan pajir ponlo pusi pherangke pen chihu chipura khut EM rup sing teron pening je
so thot am so na teng pen non ke indiang bong mane kan thirna aton asonsi mane dipu long bang ke indian government basi isi anong e ditum bating mana pir kang Kasi dipudat kali Hamren ta song song e kalong phansi tumta take do taun tumti chairman tumpan plan tum boi pollo boi punya phansi ekam phansi la so gari pana peje
Karbi Prime Time Birta Bangkila Panskang Tampaniklo Dumi Thakmi Kurong Tu